All right, peace and love, family. Peace to the guys, everything like that. All right, today we're going to talk about energy, vibration, and frequency. Basically, I already had a video about the law of attraction, and this ties into it. Because everything is energy, everything is frequency, everything is vibration. Nikola Tesla, everything is energy, vibration, and frequency. If you want to find the keys to the universe, study energy, vibration, and frequency. So when you study this, you will understand the mysteries of life and how everything is worked. This is how scientists still can't comprehend quantum physics. You know, they try to study how parallel universes intertwine, string theory. This all ties in with it because you have to understand that everything's energy, vibration, frequency. It's not just physical matter like they try to tell you. Everything is in a physical matter, this and that. No, everything's vibrating. Everything has its own frequency. Everything has its own energy. Even water, like Dr. Emoto, that I posted a while ago, even he discovered that water even has consciousness. That if you can actually talk to your water, and it will change the molecular structure of the water. It can change different. I posted a link where he shows you the research that water can change different molecular structure based off of your mind. Just you thinking about what you want to project on that water, because water is what? Water is a it works off what? Vibration. If you drop a coin or a drop of marble in there, it starts to vibrate. You see the waves, right? It's vibration. So it picks up whatever the vibration you give it. So this is how you know what is all energy, vibration, and frequency. Everything that you do, because everything was alive. Everything is conscious. What is consciousness? It's energy, frequency, vibration. So that's all we do. Even Einstein said everything is energy. It's not no craziness. It's just what it is. Everything revolves around energy. E equals mc squared. Mass times the speed of light equals what? Energy. That's what that means. That's what that formula is. Everything equals energy. Mass times the speed of light, the square root times the speed of light equals what? Energy. So everything among us is energy. That's how we manifest. Manifest. That's how we create. Creation or manifesto, which means to create. So everything that we do, we're creating in this time of reality and space. Anything that you think about, this is how the law of attraction works. The law of attraction works with the law of action, and the law of vibration gives you the law of attraction. I already made a video about that a while ago. You got to watch that video. But it works off of basically energy, vibration, and frequency. Everything that we are is energy. Everything we are is frequency. Everything we are is a vibration. Even if we want to get on the chakras, right? To get to a certain level of chakra, the crown chakra, which is the highest in the physical body, because there's more chakras than just seven. That's just the physical. But we have to go through different vibrational states. We have to learn that we have to vibrate high on a different vibrational state. You can't just be on a low state, because if you're on a low state, the root chakra, you stay there in that low vibration. It keeps you grounded, yes, but then you got to work your higher way up to get to the higher levels of the chakra. So that's what it is. You have to understand that all of this is in this reality works off of energy, of vibration, and frequency. You know, nothing else in this world, because everything exists in this world has to have some level of it's everything that we see is based off of material. What we see right here has to have some level of frequency, a vibration, or it wouldn't be in this reality, right? So it has its own energy, it has its own markers or fingerprints on it that you can see whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Whether this hat or my shirt, my body, whatever, it has a certain frequency, and everybody has their own frequency of vibration. This is why people try to raise their chakra to get to higher consciousness or whatever this and that. So when you get to these higher consciousness, you could be at the highest level of vibration. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people miss this. They watch different people, this and that. But you got to understand all this is connected. Even if you watch movies like was it damn, I'm trying to think of the movie. There's a lot of movies that have a lot of different things that teach esoteric knowledge that give you like even what was it, Doctor Strange. Yeah, Doctor Strange will teach you about the chakras, teach you astral projection, all of that, but they don't say it. They had to slip it in there. You know what I'm saying? They're never going to tell you, but it's in there when he moves, when he goes to different parallel worlds, or when he moves out of his body, or even when like the chakras, everything, the aura around your body, and you could, or the Merkaba, you can form out of your body, which is the advanced way of astral projection. They don't tell you this. It's an advanced way that I have my astral projection video, how to astral project. You can watch that as well. And it's an advanced way to do it, but it's based off the chakras. You have to attune all your chakras to leave your body. And this is what they don't want you to know, the elite and the religious teachings. They're not going to teach you. They're going to teach you about Jesus, Allah, all that stuff to keep you confused and stuck on this lower plane root chakra or the ground. It keeps you here grounded, but it doesn't ascend to the highest level, or what they call the Christ oil. That's where Christ comes from. Christ means the anointed one, and the Messiah means the anointed one. One is in Greek, one is in Hebrew. And it means to ascend to the highest level. You want to, or be the anointed one, or we actually make our own oil, right? Or the Christ consciousness is where you get to the highest consciousness, because the oil comes from the back of your spine and it drips down to your 33 vertebrae. Just like in the Bible, it says Jesus taught for till age 33, representing the 33 vertebrae. And it comes down the back of it and it creates an oil liquid and it comes back. It's called the sacred oil. You can look this up. Jim Carrey talks about it as well. And it comes back to your brain where you reach the Christ consciousness at a higher state. And this is where you want to be at the ultimate level, or the bosom of all. We call it the bosom of all, but a lot of people call it different things, but this is where you want to reach the highest level of consciousness. And when you do that, you can see the world for what it is when your third eye opens and all this stuff. You see reality for what it is, but it's based off of you being at a certain frequency and vibrating a certain energy to get to that higher level. You can't just get it just being like walking around doing nothing. You have to train your mind and really concentrate on what you want to, what's your intent. You know what I'm saying? And this is where a lot of things are being suppressed. A lot of this information doesn't want to get out because the elite, they control you. They trying to get you to buy into their systems, their money, whatever it is. They're trying to just tell you what they want to tell you, to control your mind. And that's the thing. That's the main thing about the energy, vibration, and frequency, is to learn how to control your own mind, learn how to control your own body, so that you can one day ascend to the higher realms, at the higher levels. So that's the main thing about this. You don't want to be confused about different things, and really training your body to really ascend. You know what I'm saying? Remember that everything is energy, vibration, and frequency. Everything has an energy marker, everything has a frequency, and everything has a vibration. That's all we are: energy, vibration, and frequency, to the highest extent or the highest level. Don't be confused by what other people say, this and that. When you get to the core of it, everybody's vibrating on a subatomical level, even though we seem like we're standing still, but we're not. If you look at a microscope, you'll see like little cells moving around, atoms and all that, nucleus, all that. It's still moving. It's vibrating at a high realm, at a high level. This is what they're not telling you. They don't want to tell you this because they got to leave it out a secret. They can't let you know that if they let you know that everything's vibrating, that everything is conscious, everything that is energy, vibration, and frequency, then you'll know more than what they know. You know what I'm saying? Or they know a lot more, but they want to keep you at a low level so that you don't know how this world universe operates. And that's what quantum physics. You got to study quantum physics, because quantum physics meets physical and spiritual meets together. This is why they can't explain dark matter and stuff. I can explain it, but this is why they have questions about dark matter, this and that, which is really melanin, or carbon, or ninth ether. If you really break down the science of that, but it really goes back to everything is connected, everything's energy, vibration, and frequency. And once you understand that, you understand the keys to the universe, which is 369, 9 being the highest number, because it's the only number that you can multiply, add back into itself. You can do this right now if you want to. 9 times 2 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 times 4, 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. So all this stuff, we understand the science, the mathematics. And if you want the full truth to anything, you got to go to what? 720 degrees. That's masonry. That's when they think it's 33 degrees, but it's more than that. It's really 720 to the highest absolute truth, because 360 is the circle, right? If you want to get a full circle, is what? 360. But you add another 360, another circle to it, you get like an infinity symbol, right? Or two circles added together, or look like an 8, right? An infinity symbol, like the infinity, forever symbol, eternity. And that's what? 720 degrees. 36 times 36 times itself, or 36 times 2 is 720 degrees, right? They're not gonna say that. 360 times 2 is 720. 360 plus 360 is 720. So if you want to get to the absolute truth, you got to go to the 720 degrees where you find absolute truth. And these are the things that's been missing for a while, man. But I've been here to teach y'all, man. I'm here now. I'm the master teacher, trying to give y'all the extra help and the guidance that you're not going to get from these religious teachers, whatever. But I'm going to give you the esoteric knowledge, meaning the hidden knowledge, stuff they don't want you to know. But remember, everything is what? Energy, vibration, and frequency. Once you understand this, you understand the keys to life and understand how the universe really works. All right, man. So that's all today, man. Just breaking down energy, vibration, and frequency. Subscribe to the channel. Peace out.